This is gonna be terrible. I remember trying this when I was really young, getting pepper and smelling it and sneezing like 20 times because it was so painful. Ooh. What, did you just take a whiff of it? I'm scared. Hello?
Pineapples.
My eyes are watering. I'm crying. That hurted. Hold on. What? It's still ain't where I can feel it. Do I smell more?
Grapefruit.
It ain't working. It just don't feel good. What the heck? I'll take one more whiff. Oh. No, we won't. Bitch. How come? How come? It ain't happening. That hurt! Oh my gosh, I sneezed up everything I ate today. Whoa, blew my hat sideways. Wow. That hurted. There's like 10 more up there now. Nope, we're just gonna be sneezing for like the rest of the... Ow.